I've just come out here to do an intro, and our first little bush on the right is just alive with bees. It's fantastic. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I'll switch over. Anyway, back to the intro. I'm sure everyone goes through this in gardening, especially beginners like me, in that you just want to sow everything and you want to keep everything alive. You want to do as much as you can. But there gets to a point where you've got so many pots and you've got so little time and so little space. And it's just trying to find places to put them all, and even giving them away. You sometimes think, oh, are they going to look after them? Are they going to die? I mean, you sort of treat them like your bloody family, really. It's stupid, isn't it? Anyway, on that note, we're going to be potting some stuff out. Potting out? Planting out, even. We've got some space at the back of the outbuilding. Not a lot, but there's a few steps. It's just scrubland, really. I've got nowhere else to put stuff. So we're going to put some stuff out there. Some cabbages. There's already some courgettes out there. We're going to tidy up the beds just here. We've planted some more cabbages out here, inundated with cabbages as well as tomatoes. I might have to try and get some more pots for the tomatoes. I'm looking at actually planting stuff out. I don't know if I can show you behind me. We've got sort of a triangle area here, which is for flowers, plants, etc. We might try and put some veggies in there as well, mix it up a bit, see what happens. You want to come out, do you? The honeysuckle has done really well this year. We planted it in amongst the bay. Bay's gone wild as usual. We've got to cut that right back, but it's difficult to cut it back without cutting the honeysuckle as well. But there's a honeysuckle, don't know if you can see, you've got the odd flower up here, but then we've got that long spindle straight up look going into the cypress. So these cabbages need to go out, but it's a case of finding space, because they need space around them. I've put these 3 out here, which is fine, next to some broccoli, but it's a case of finding room for the rest. So I've got this raised area behind the outbuilding. I've already put a few tomatoes along here. They'll go up. I'm wondering, oh no, I've got courgette here as well. Probably, I may be able to get one or two over here. Or even, this is a scrap area up here. I may even try up here. I'm going to try and squeeze them in between the tomatoes and the rhubarb and the courgettes. Not sure if there's enough room. Not sure what this is either, but it's coming out. I need the space. I have to rein myself in sometimes when I'm weeding. I get a bit overzealous and I just start ripping everything out, and sometimes I've ripped out plants and veg, etc. So I have to try and step back occasionally and think, right, what is that? So I'm going to put one here next to the rhubarb. Come with their own onboard weeds by the looks of it. Water it in. Spread some mulch over. Mulch, got half a bloody baobab there. Right, one in. So I'm going for the full 5. We've got one in. Gonna have one there, one there, one there, and one there. Even though I've got the courgette there and there, and I know they're going to get big, but I'm hoping that courgette will then droop over the side here. Same with that one. Well, that's what I'm hoping. We'll see what happens in the fullness of time. That's number 4. And 5. I'm getting desperate now as to where to put everything, because I just simply haven't got the space. I mean, I've got space, but a lot of it's lawn. So it's difficult trying to find an area I can dig up, because I hate wasting the plants. I get obsessed with trying to grow them through. You probably all have the same. Obviously I'm going to give some away, but I found an old builder's bucket like this one with a cracked base, so rather than throw it away I thought I'd fill it. I've got some old soil, as you know, over there that I've sieved through. I've put that sort of halfway up and then compost on top, and I'm going to try and get 3 tomato plants, probably way too many for that area, but we'll give it a go. I'll just leave them in this corner, see what happens. Look at this lovely bracken too. It's beautiful, isn't it? Love it. I love it when it unfurls, when it first starts off. Fantastic. So sort of, I don't know, prehistoric. Look at this, look. I've just got the eggs from the girls. Turn my back for 3 minutes. And a friggin' magpies straight in. I hate those bloody birds. All they are is destruction in my garden. They're taking songbird eggs, chicks, everything. So I think the dahlia and marigold were in this pot. They were a bit stunted, so I've now transferred them into a lot larger pot. Hopefully that'll give them a bit more room to grow. I'm trying to squeeze a bit more footage of our beloved chickens in now that the ducks have moved on. I've also managed to take a lot of my small pots over to my son's house, so he's now starting his own veg garden. Thank you so much for watching, really appreciate it. Do what makes you happy, and we'll see you next time.